A bullet, a small, seemingly simple object yet capable of altering lives in an instant. Its creation is a testament to human ingenuity, a meticulous blend of art and science. The process of bullet manufacturing is a journey of precision, where even the slightest deviation can have significant consequences. This is the story of how a piece of metal transforms into a precisely engineered projectile. The journey from raw material to a finished bullet is a testament to the careful selection and manipulation of metals. The most common material used in bullet jackets is copper, chosen for its malleability and ability to expand upon impact. The core of the bullet can be composed of lead, steel, or specialized alloys, each influencing the bullet's weight, hardness, and performance. Lead, being dense and relatively soft, is often favored for its ability to deform upon impact, transferring its energy effectively. For armor-piercing rounds, harder materials like steel or tungsten carbide are employed. The primer, responsible for igniting the propellant, requires its own set of specialized chemicals. These chemicals, when struck by the firing pin, produce hot gas that propels the bullet down the barrel. The casing, typically made of brass, holds the bullet, primer, and propellant together, withstanding high pressures during firing. The transformation of raw materials into a finished bullet is a multi-stage process involving intricate operations. It begins with the bullet core, where lead alloy wire is cut into precise slugs. These slugs are swagged, compressing the lead to form the desired shape and density. The next stage involves jacketing the core with copper sheets formed into cups. The lead core is inserted into the copper cup, and the two are joined through drawing, shaping the bullet and thinning the jacket. This ensures a tight bond between the core and jacket, crucial for maintaining the bullet's integrity during firing. Different bullet designs call for different tip configurations, influencing the projectile's aerodynamic properties and terminal ballistics. Hollow points have a cavity in the tip to initiate expansion upon impact, while full metal jacket rounds promote deeper penetration. This stage determines the bullet's intended application and performance characteristics. Precision personified, the machinery shaping the bullet. The creation of a bullet is a symphony of precision engineering, orchestrated by sophisticated machinery. At the heart of this operation are the presses, shaping and molding metal with incredible accuracy. From cutting the lead wire to stamping the bullet head stamp, presses ensure consistent pressure and precise movements. The drawing machine utilizes a series of dies to shape the bullet jacket around the core, requiring meticulous calibration. The delicate task of creating the bullet tip falls to specialized CNC machining centers, carving material with micron-level precision. These computer-controlled marvels create intricate geometries, allowing for a wide range of bullet profiles. The combination of powerful software and precise mechanics tailors each bullet to specific ballistic requirements, ensuring safety and quality, the unsung heroes of bullet making. While machinery plays a vital role, it's the human element that ensures the safety and reliability of the final product. Highly skilled technicians oversee every step, vigilant for any imperfections. They calibrate and maintain the machinery, ensuring operations are within tight tolerances. Quality control is paramount, with rigorous inspections at every stage. Specialized measuring tools verify dimensions, weight, and concentricity. X-ray machines ensure the core is properly seated and free of internal voids. Extensive ballistic testing validates performance, ensuring ammunition meets stringent criteria. This rigorous testing guarantees that the ammunition performs as expected, providing shooters with confidence and peace of mind. Conclusion: a testament to accuracy and engineering. The journey of a bullet, from a humble piece of metal to a precision-engineered projectile, is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of accuracy. Every stage, from material selection to final inspection, showcases the dedication and skill involved. The story of the bullet is a testament to the power of human innovation, a reminder that even the smallest objects can be imbued with incredible complexity and precision.